Hey guys, what's cracking? Tommy B back again. Just a little bit of an update for the engine. I've sent it off. As you guys can probably see, my garage is now empty. So yeah, come along for the process, show you what we did. We didn't have much time. We had to get it all done in a short period of time. So I had to set up the engine stand and all that kind of stuff. But the engine block's on the engine stand now, ready for disassembly. Yeah, then we'll send it off to the machine shop, get all that sorted, make sure everything's square and level. And then, yeah, super exciting, guys. We're going to start the build sooner rather than later. It took a while for Alvin's stuff to get set up at Off the Clock Motorsports, but yeah, he's finally about to get some hoists in. And yeah, it's going to be super exciting. I'm super keen to have you guys along on the journey. It's going to be super cool. Just quickly before we move forward, I do have an Evo 8 manifold and turbo in really good condition. They're just chilling. I'd be willing to let both go for 200 bucks. So if you want to cop a deal, if you need it for any kind of like Mitsubishi Evo build or whatever it is, super cheap turbo and manifold. I think it's a TDO 5G, I believe, from an Evo 8. It's not an MR turbo. It's just a normal Evo 8 turbo, but very good condition, very low kilometers. 200 bucks. Anyone who wants it, please just let me know. Yeah. I do have some other parts from the CH Lancer build as well, so just drop us a line if you need any possible parts for a CH Lancer or whatnot. But yeah, as far as everything is, all I need to get is a head gasket, engine bearings, valve stem seals, and maybe just a couple small things, piston rings, and yeah, the engine should be able to go together shortly after it gets machined, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, super sick, and we're on a super budget. So I think my budget, I think I've hit about 1,200 bucks. Give or take where we're at now. So yeah, super sick, and keen to try and make this come together as cheaply as possible. It is an exciting day. Got everything loaded into the back of the Mirage. We got Alex. Super exciting. Heading off to Off the Clock Motorsports. Alvin's gonna sort us out. Let's go.
No, it's got the. It's got like so you don't have to come up.
Let's go. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Alex is gonna get chill.
You really are.
But yeah, that about does it for this episode. It's a very short one. Just wanted to show you guys that the process of getting the engine built is now beginning, and it's going to be very exciting. I'm hoping it's going to come together within the next few months. So I'll try and get more footage of what we're doing and all that kind of stuff when I can. Other than that, I do live quite far away from the place that the engine is getting built at. So it's a bit of a mission for me to get there. But, you know, we'll do it. We'll get it done. And yeah, hopefully we can crack 400 horsepower with some injectors. Let's go. Yeah, that's all for now. So thanks guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It's going to be a mad build. I'm super excited for it. So yeah, that's all for now. Tommy B out. Cheers.